everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to discuss what's the breakdown of salary for an IT worker. And just to clarify, this is for a IT worker in the US. So if you are new to the US, if you are coming on a visa, you're an international student, or just a fresh graduate and who's got your first job, let's see how your salary structure can be uh, based. So, first of all, welcome and congratulations. If you're a software engineer, you are ready to get a top salary. So, let's continue. First and foremost, you will see in your offer letter a base salary. Now, a base salary is a fixed amount that you and your employer negotiate. So, you might negotiate, hey, I want to make $60,000 as my salary. Or if you're more of a senior staff, you might ask for 120,000. And if you're one of those high-end Google type engineers, right, you might make 500,000 as your salary. So that's the first number, a base salary. And keep in mind that many states recently, I think New York, California are leading the way, Colorado, I believe, as well, where you can now see in job postings a minimum, maximum kind of salary range that is available for that position. So keep that in mind when you start negotiating. Again, those ranges can vary a lot. And I've also heard that some companies only show like, a range like 25 to 75% of what they're willing to pay. So potentially you could even ask for more and might even get it. So keep that in mind as you start your negotiations and work on your salary. Second is bonus. Now, if you're a software engineer, you likely are going to be in a bonus situation where your position is considered bonusable. So bonus amounts can, vary. It could be 10%, it could be 20%, depending again on your experience and, when you're entering the industry. But then it's also scope to get higher bonuses. So this number can vary. Companies will not always give you a fair picture into what your bonus might be, but try and extract a range of what people might be willing to pay for that position. Ask your recruiter and understand that number with them. This is very important because if you're getting a 20% bonus, that means that's a big amount of money. So keep that in mind. And also, you can always check out other sites like, Glassdoor, etc., levels.fyi. These sites, give you a good idea on what bonuses might be for your position as well. Third, now this is a very hidden kind of compensation, and it can actually be a very big part of your compensation. Sometimes it can be 50% of your compensation. So you negotiate a salary of 120,000, you get a 20% bonus. So that's like, for 24,000 bonus, 120 in your package, so it's like 144. But stocks can be very variable in nature. You can get restricted stock units, means the company will give you at the time of hire, let's say, hey, we'll give you 100,000 stocks, and they vest over 3 years. Some sort of a plan they will give you for vesting. Or they might give you stock options and say, hey, the stock price is worth $5 today. We'll give you 1,000 stock options, vesting over 3 years again. And if the stock price has gone up to $10, you make a $5 profit for each option. So again, that's a lot of money. And last but not least is what they call an ESPP program, Employee Stock Purchase Program. Now, this program basically gives you the right to buy your company stock at a certain discount, usually like 5, 10%. 15% sometimes. And that is going to be critical for you because so say the stock price was $5 and you can buy it like at $4 or something. You can flip it the next day and sell it for $5 in the market. So you made right away, like a dollar or 50 cents or whatever that discount was per stock. And that's a nice amount of profit. So these are hidden compensation uh, variables. Keep that in mind. And, if you work for a fast-growing startup type company, sometimes this can be very valuable. So keep that in mind. So stocks can be very important. Then you have what we call as 401k match, right? So keep that in, how, ask your HR partner what they are offering as a 401k match. So many companies will offer you like a 50% match up to 6% of what you contribute to 401k. So say your salary is 100,000, you contribute $6,000 over the year, and the company will match $3,000. So that's like, added to your, compensation package overall. So you just got a $3,000 additional benefit from your company. So 401k match is important. So with that, we'll talk about the last thing, which is profit sharing. Profit sharing is more rare, but some companies will offer you that and say, hey, 10% of the profit of the company will distribute amongst the company. Or it could be that up to 10% of your salary could be a profit sharing compensation. But again, if you're getting profit sharing, you likely are not getting a bonus, right? So they're not going to give you both. Very unlikely. So, but yeah, this is one more way of how they compensate you. So keep that in mind, see what they are offering you when you're negotiating your salary. Okay. So with that, I would like to say good luck to you. I hope you get your own big fat salary. All right. Thank you for joining me today. Hope you like my video, and I'm looking forward to you joining us as a subscriber. Please do sign up as a subscriber and watch out for our future videos. All right. Thank you.